my question. I need to find x. Alright. Now first statement. He says difference of the discounts on the cars is 12300. If I see the difference 18% of 1.5x minus 15% of x would be 12300. Now please listen to me. Isn't it? That is the meaning of first statement. 18% of 1.5x minus 15% of x is equal to 12300. Would it give me a unique answer for x? Yes, we would get we would get a unique answer. We would get a unique answer. Yes, we would get a unique answer of x from this, isn't it? We would get a unique answer from this. And I say first statement is giving you answer. See, I am not interested in what is an answer. All I am interested in is what is the whether the answer is unique or not. Got my point? Whether the answer is unique or not. I don't care what is x. I don't care. See, when I solve it, I would definitely, all of you can understand, sir, this would be into 1.5 times x minus 15 upon 100 times x is equal to 12300, which means if you multiply 18 and this is 27 times x minus 15 times x is equal to 1230000. So definitely 15, 27 minus 15 would give me a unique answer. Why do I need to solve it when he is asking whether you will get a unique answer or not? Why should I need to solve it? Now probably people think that sir, answer from statement 1 and statement 2 should be same. See, you would not have two girlfriends if you would get same answer from both of them. So remember the same thing. You know, when you talk to second, you don't, you don't think about one. And similarly, remember the answer from second should or should not match from one. Does not matter. The discount on the second car. So I say 18% of 1.5x is equal to 11589. So this would give me a unique answer, right? I am not bothered that answer from 1 and answer from 2 would be same. No, this is not required. I am not finding answers, I'm just analyzing answers. All right, so I won't still solve this question. I would say statement 2 is also giving me a unique answer. I would say yes, we would get a unique answer. So first is giving you unique answer, second is giving you unique answer. Answer is 2. Read about 2. Read about 2. 2 stated. If you check out, go up. 2 stated that if the question can be answered using either of the statements alone. Alright. Now tell me, isn't this beautiful? I am not interested in what is the value of x. Only thing I am interested is that x is a unique answer or not. Is it clear to you? Is it clear? Tell me now. Isn't this something amazing? Huh? Answer is 2. Jyoti, this is not to be done. 159260. I don't want it. Jyoti, remember, this is what I don't want. I don't want an answer. I want an analysis. Good Ankita, good Shelsha, good guys. Huh? Jyoti, is it okay now? You don't need to solve it. Ambrish, is it okay now? Hanumant, is it okay now? Guys, you need to tell me yes or no. Or I'm going to, come on. Not one, Miss Nautial, not one. The one was giving you answer, but two was also giving you an answer. Isn't it? When you say one is answering you, doesn't mean that two cannot answer you. So you have to check both the statements. Come on. Isn't it? Now don't worry. It is still not simple. Abhi, you would realize that you are now into a deep, this is a deep hole. Syllogisms was easy. Data sufficiency, oh my god, it just keeps on going on and on and on. So let's see. Let's see. Third one, rule 3. Rule 3. Rule 3. Even no is considered as a right answer. Even no is considered as a right answer. Remember that. Huh? Even no is considered as a right answer. Remember that. Isn't it? Now listen. Listen. If I ask you a question, it is not that you only have to answer a yes to answer me. That, if you say yes, then only that answer is right. Even no is a right answer. So I can ask any one of you. So I can ask Ayush. Ayush, do you smoke? Ayush, do you smoke? Huh? Ayush, tell me. Rohini, it's alright yaar. कोई बात नहीं, don't worry. Ayush, do you smoke? Answer me. Ayush Jayant, I'm asking you. Ayush, you are not answering me now, huh? Does that mean that you smoke, huh? uh, so I asked Shelsha. Shelsha, do you smoke? Shelsha is there. Shelsha, do you smoke? Answer me. Answer me right now, guys. Ayush, do you smoke? Shelsha, do you smoke? Hey, nobody is answering me. Come on, yaar. You are the guys. Ayush Jayant, Shelsha, you are the people those who have to answer. So now I get, see this. See, Ayush. So now see, Muhammad Iqbal Dhar says, so had I asked, Ayush says, see, listen, Ayush, Ayush says, no sir, yes sir, isn't it? Which means sometimes when I'm depressed, I do that, isn't it? And I want, uh, Manish, it's alright. It's alright. Two or three. So, so I think Ben Johnson, suppose, so had, Ayush said, no sir. So my question is answered with no also, isn't it? It is not that my question is always, answer is always yes. Even no can be an answer, isn't it? And then I asked Shelsha, do you smoke? She said no, sir. Again, that's the right answer because she answered my question. And along with that, Muhammad Iqbal Dhar said no, sir. Along with that, Anurag said no, sir. Which means, remember, no is treated for any question. If you have answer as no, it is treated as a right statement. It is giving you answer. Am I right? It is giving you answer. Now, guys, tell me. Yeah, Shelsha said no. I said, you said no, which means that's the right answer. I asked you a question, Shelsha, that do you smoke, Shelsha? You said no, sir. Right? Which means you answered my question. Which means what I mean to say is, even no can be your answer. Now, how do you understand this for data sufficiency? How data sufficiency uses it? So, question. I say, is x equal to 5? Statement 1. X square minus 36 is equal to 0. Statement 2. X square minus 49 is equal to 0. Tell me, which statement is giving you an answer? Yes, right. Bait, very nice. Shelsha has said no. Yes, good. And Manish has given another information also. I don't smoke and neither I drink. Manish, huh? Very nice, Ben Johnson. Great, great, great guy. Hey, Jitin, we just cannot leave everything. That how many questions do I expect? Had UPSC asked me about the questions, it could have been so good for you people, isn't it? You cannot leave anything. And you understand you want to become, come on guys, you want to become IPS officer, IS officer. There would not be any situation in your professional life where you would leave it. If as a district magistrate you have to make some decision, and you have to make a decision at 1, you cannot say that, sir, can I make a decision in the morning because I'm feeling sleepy? You have to make a decision which actually makes or breaks a district. You cannot say, sir, can I leave this decision and make some another decision? You have to make a decision. That's it. You have to do it. There is no going back and saying, no, sir, I won't be able to do this, otherwise, I would become an officer. You want to become an officer, just behave like one. Fourth. That's a beautiful answer. Somebody said, I won't name you, huh? Somebody said, only when the pressure is too high, huh? That is beautiful, huh? Oh my god. What is the answer, guys? Come on, what is the answer now? Shrishti Thakur, you are amazing. Give me answer. Shashikala says 2. Brilliant. Bharat Bhushan 2. Mahi, what do you say? Jashna, wonderful. See how beautiful it is. Good, Bharat. Ananya, good. What do you say, Shelsha? Muhammad Iqbal Dhar says, I think Jashna, you're right. Muhammad Iqbal Dhar says 4, huh? Savita says, both statements are giving wrong, huh? Come on, Shrinath, come on. Vandana, no. I think most of you are giving answers now. Now listen to me. I think no, Shelsha, no. Listen now. Listen. The question is x equal to 5? When I see the first statement, it is x is equal to 6 or minus 6. Now please listen to me. Please listen to me. I think our question is answered. Our question is answered by statement 1. Why? Is x equal to 5? You would say no, sir. Isn't it? Second, is x equal to 5? You would say no, sir. So first statement is directly giving you answer. No, x is not equal to 5. So it is giving you an answer. So first is giving you an answer. Then second again would give you x is equal to 7 or x is equal to minus 7. See the killer, huh? This is the killer. So statement first, second statement is also giving you answer. What answer it's giving you? The question was, is x equal to 5? It's saying no. X is not equal to 5. So it is both the statements are giving you answer. So answer is 2. Huh? I told you it is a killer. I told you it is a killer, isn't it? Huh? Isn't this? I told you, data sufficiency is killer. Not choose 4. Choose 2. Answer is 2, Anurag. Ayush, answer is 2. Both the statements are giving you answer. First statement is giving you answer. Is x equal to 5? It's saying, no, x is not equal to 5. And second statement is again asking, is x equal to 5? It's saying, no, x is not equal to 5. So both the statements are actually giving you answers. Both the statements are actually giving you answers. Tell me how, huh? Now you got it. Can I give you a counter question, huh? Guys, answer is 2. Most of them are giving 4 as an answer. Tell me, isn't it? क्या x, तो I'm asking you in हिंदी, क्या x 5 के बराबर है? फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज सेइंग नो x 5 के बराबर नहीं है, तो आंसर तो आ रहा है ना. सेकेंड इज सेइंग नो x 5 के बराबर नहीं है, तो आंसर तो आ ही रहा है ना. आंसर हैज टू बी यूनिक, सो आंसर इज नो. यस. And that is the reason data sufficiency is the damnest thing you would find in your paper, right? Meanest thing you will find in any paper. I'm telling you, you won't find anything meaner than data sufficiency. See, Makbul Dhar, I did not ask what is an answer. I said my question is simple. Is x equal to 5? First statement says no, x is not equal to 5. I am happy. है ना? Then again, second statement I check, is x equal to 5? Second says no, x is not equal to 5. So my question is answered, isn't it? My question was what? Is x equal to 5? है ना? Now please, let me give you counter question. Let me give you counter question. Again I say, is x equal to 5? Statement 1, x square minus 25 is equal to 0. And statement 2, x square minus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. Tell me. Tell me, is x equal to 5? Tell me, come on. Waiting for your answer. Anurag, come on. Abhi, that's the reason. Abhi, we are going to do it. Ishita, that's beautiful. After this question, I felt 3 more brain cells being born. That's amazing, Ishita. Muhammad Iqbal, don't worry. Jyoti Priya again says 2. Sahil says 2. Same answer, Bharat Bhushan says. Ananya says, Ananya generally gives right answers, huh? That was funny, Ishita. Huh? Few more brain cells being born, huh? That was too good, huh? So now, this is something. Ayush Jayant, what is yours? Answer is again 2. Jitin says 2. Namrata says 2. And Vishnu says 2. Come on. Huh? Somebody said no, sir. Manjula, what do you want? Huh? Ayush, what is yours? Ayush Jan says C. C, huh? Diksha says 2. Savita says 1. Now see, listen to me. Let's see. See, this is the beauty. So I'm solving it now. First gives you x is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 5. Alright. So now, my question, is x equal to 5? Yes. In second, is x equal to 5? No. So I'm getting two sounds. I'm getting two answers, yes and no, which means answer is not unique. Not unique. Which means first statement is not giving you answer. Oh my god, huh? First statement is not giving you answer. One of them is saying yes, x is equal to 5. Second is saying no, x is not equal to 5. So why would I say this is giving me answer? Yes and no is not an answer. Yes and no is not an answer, isn't it? And the second one, once you solve it, it's a quadratic. Once you solve it, it is going to give you x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 5. X is equal to 2 or x is equal to 5, isn't it? Now again he's asking question, is x equal to 5? Over here it says no, x is not equal to 5. And the second portion he says yes, x is equal to 5, isn't it? Which means it is also not giving you answer, because answer is not unique, yes or no. And then you mix it. Now please, Ayush and others, once you mix 1 plus 2, see guys, once you mix data sufficiency statements, you don't take common part, you take everything. It's 1 or 2, okay, not 1 and 2. which means if I say, if I take these two statements, both the statements together, it would give you x is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 5 or x is equal to 2, all three. Again, if I ask question, is x equal to 5, this says no sir, this says yes sir, this says no, and this says no, which means even mixing them together is not giving me answer. Answer is 4. Yes, Mahi, isn't it? Both are not correct, Rohini. Come on, no way. Isn't it? Answer is 4. Answer is 4. Come on, be smart. I think now at the end you understood answer would be 4. Taruna Kapoor, yes, it is 4. Isn't it? Answer is 4. Great, Mai. So now you tell me, guys, isn't this amazing? Hmm? The words, they say, listen, remember, the words matter. Now, this is what it is. The words matter. Isn't it? Each and every word matters. Come on, give me a yes or a no. Give me a yes or a no. Come on. Yes, Biak, you are generally, you give good answers, Biak. Yes, option is 4, isn't it? Biak, you're a great solver, no doubt. See, that's the reason, when you're under pressure, this is what you cannot think. And that's the reason data sufficiency comes in your paper. Absolute reason why data sufficiency is a part of paper. And listen to me, every word is going to matter, and that is the reason, you would become an officer if you are good at these things. It's not that, guys, you just think that, hey, Rohini, so hota, don't be sorry, yaar. Guys, it has nothing to do with, you should not be sorry, okay? Don't say sorry if you get a wrong answer. That's the reason you're taking classes from us, isn't it? You would have made mistakes had you not done so, isn't it? You would have made mistakes. So, now you won't make mistakes. Now you won't make mistakes. Alright? See, Diksha, I'm telling you, malab every question, I can change one thing and the question would change. See this. Now, how beautiful I can frame it. Now, I can change this question as well. See this. Is x equal to 5 if x is a positive integer? I change it again. Is x equal to 5 if x is a positive integer? So, I erase all. See if you are good at erasing your memory and going forward, data sufficiency is your game. If you are, thinking behind, and you see, the best part is when you look at 2, you forget 1. You don't understand how tough it is. You don't understand how tough it is. Is x equal to 5 if x is a positive integer? Now see this. This would give you x is equal to 5 and minus 5. Minus 5 we won't consider because x is a positive integer. So now definitely, we would say, is x equal to 5? You say yes. So first statement is giving you answer. Then you check out second. Second is x is equal to 5 and 2. Both are positive. So now we have a problem. One would say yes, x is 5. Second would say no, x is not 5. So one is giving you yes and another is giving you no. Second is not giving you answer. So which means answer is 1. One of the statement giving you answer but another not giving you answer. Isn't it? See Jyoti, there is a difference. See, x is a positive integer, which means if you get a negative value, definitely if you get a negative value, you will ignore it. That is a difference. Choose one, isn't it? Yes, now you are getting it, isn't it? Now you are getting comfortable. Now you are getting really good at this. So, what did they give you? See the beauty of the question. What did they give you? The question that came, and most of the time you would realize, just check out your previous year question, and if there is a previous year student over here, check out his copy. You would realize, Rishi sir, that's absolutely true. Most of the questions would come from my notes, so don't worry. Huh? So question is, this was in paper, and this was in our assignment also. In in an election, he says, in an election, how many votes are cast? How many in an election? How many votes are cast? So statement number 1: the candidate winning candidate gets 54% of total votes. Second, the winning candidate wins by 800 votes. Chalo, tell me, what would you do? So I start getting answers now, huh? 2. Shelsha, great, huh? Huh? Balla says 3. Biak says 2. Kajal says 2. Dipti says 3. Ben Johnson says 3. Dipti says 1. Embry says 3. Others? Data insufficient. Anurag says, sir, there is more to data. Ahil says 2. Where is Jayant? Ayush Jayant. Where is Abhay? Hmm? So answer, most of you are getting 3 and bait. I think you are getting 4. Abhay is getting 3. Huh? So let's make it work now. 3, huh? 3. And Jyoti, I think Ridhima says 4 now. Now listen, all of you. The winning candidates get 54% of the vote. So he says total number of votes by winner is 54%. Great. And he says the winning candidate wins by 800 votes. When I see second, see, first does not give you answer because 54% of what? We don't know. So how many votes are cast is something. He is saying that if X number of votes were cast, so winner is 54% of X. Isn't it 54% of X? But does not give you answer. Second is the winning candidate wins by 800 votes. So if you see second, don't think of first of all. Don't mix it. The winning candidate wins by 800 votes does not mean total number of votes would be known. And then you mix them together, 1 plus 2. Why do you mix them? When you got two crosses, you mix them. So 1 plus 2, generally people say, sir, winner gets 54% of votes. Sir, loser gets 46% of votes. And 54% of total minus 46% of total is equal to 800. Sir, it would give you total value of X. Isn't it? So most of you are getting 3 for the same reason. But was it mentioned that there are only 2 candidates in the election? Was it mentioned? No. So how did you say loser gets 46%? I know winner gets 54%, and then the winner wins by 800 margin votes. So generally what happens is, when we compare the winner, we compare him with the second best. So we do not know how many people are competing in this election. So please do not say it that loser gets 46% until unless they mention it that there are only two candidates in the election. So now we realize that this was a wrong assumption. So remember, with mixing also, answer is 4. We don't know because we don't know the number of candidates. Come on, answer is not 3. Answer is 4. Answer is 4 because we were not given that there are only two candidates. So remember, with that, rule 4, do not assume anything given, right? Do not assume anything other than info given to you. Rule 4, do not assume. Remember, this is what you assumed, that sir, the winner got 54% vote, so you generally assume sir loser got 46%. Why? Did they mention there were only two candidates? Isn't it? They did not. So there is a comparison between a winner and a loser. The comparison between not a winner and a loser, the comparison generally is between the winning candidate and the candidate who secured the second best votes. Alright, that is the way it happens. Somebody says he won by these many votes, means that from the second best he is these many votes ahead. Answer is 4. Tell me now, answer is 4. Is it clear, guys? Now you realize how this is a beautiful, beautiful paper. How beautiful this is, data sufficiency. One more question. He says, question is is the average is the average cost of 60 is the average cost of 60 items greater than rupees 25? Is the average cost of 60 items greater than 25? Your first statement is 2/5 of them cost rupees 30 each. Huh? Hey, don't worry, look at this. 2/5 of them, and 1/3 of them cost rupee 40 each. 2/5 of them cost 30 each, and clear now? Great, great, great. And that is the reason I told you, data sufficiency you cannot manage. Clocks and calendars you would manage, I know that, isn't it? Clocks and calendars would be not be a fight. But data sufficiency, I'm telling you, if you do these 2 or 3 questions, you are way ahead than others. And otherwise also, guys, you have to appear for so many papers. When you go to the academy and get trained for becoming an IS officer, they would teach you these things, data sufficiency and decision making. Yes, they would teach you. Then you would remember me, huh, sir? We were already taught, huh? No issues, Biak. Remember, everyone makes mistakes. Everyone grows up making mistakes. To err is human, don't worry. So Anant then Raj Singh says answer is 4. Others. Sahil says 3, Ananya says 4, and Ananya generally gives right answers. Shalsha says 3, and Sahil, Bhala says 4, Ambrish says 4. Hmm. Shalsha, you say 3, Others, where is Miss Nautiyal? Abhay says 3, and Abhay generally does not make mistakes. I know Abhay. So now see. So now now the problem is this only. Is the question, isn't it? Is the option. So is the average. The question is the average of 60 items greater than rupees 25? So can I change it and say is the total cost of 60 items greater than rupees 25 into 60, which is rupees 1500? Is the total cost of 60 items greater than rupees, I think I'm right, isn't it, greater than rupees 1500? Statement 1. Now let's see statement 1. 2/5 of them. 2/5 of 60 is what? 24. Cost 30 each. So would be rupees 720. So if the cost of 24 objects items is rupees 720, I don't know about the remaining items, so I cannot say the cost would be greater than 1500 or less than 1500. First does not give you answer. Second, he says one third of them cost 40 each. One third of 60 is 20, and 20 got costing you, this is 40 each. Sorry, 40 each. I'm sorry, just make me erase it. 40 each, so rupees 800. So rupees 800 for how many items? How many items? 20 items. But I don't know about the remaining, about the 60 items, isn't it? I cannot name the 60 items, so I think this is also wrong. Wrong. Because in first statement, definitely I only had cost of 24 objects, and in second I had cost of 20 objects. If I mix 1 plus 2, I get 44. See, 24 plus 20, 44 items cost rupees 1520. Oh, come on. If 44 items are costing rupees 5020, 60 items would automatically cost more than rupees 1500. If 44 items are costing equal to 1520, remaining 16 items you give free also, then also total cost of 60 items would be greater than 1500. So which means 1 plus 2 is giving you a right answer. Answer is 3. Tell me, guys. It is C. Jashna, it is C. Mahi, very good. Vandana, it is C. Muhammad Iqbal Dhar, it is C. Thra, 3. Hanumant, wonderful. So now you got to the point where you know that data sufficiency would be a botheration, but Rishi sir has already told you, and you won't make a mistake in data sufficiency now. I know this. I know this. Remember the golden words. There are few golden words. 3, 4 rules. Do not assume. Unique answer. No is an answer. Do not calculate. When you have two girlfriends, when you think about the second one, forget the first one. Alright? Do let me know if you can do that, Answer was 3, Answer was 3. With that, guys, I hope if you guys can, remember, most of the time, people are so stuck up and so passionate about becoming an IPS, IS officer that they don't understand that they are going to give you challenges. So do not ever budge away from challenges. Do not ever say, sir, shall I do this topic and shall I don't do this topic? Because I'm telling you, the whole reason, they started putting CSAT was that when you become an IS officer, officer, and that also IAS, you are going to be a boss of a certain department which would have more officers working under you, so they clear SSC paper, which would have a lot of staff working under you. That staff would be stenos, peons, all of them have again cleared state exam which involves aptitude. So at least you need to have an aptitude to be a boss of these people. All right, remember that you need to have good aptitude to actually handle people. And this answer, now listen to me, most of you when asked why do you want to become an IS officer, I want to ask you today, why do you want to become an IS officer? Can anyone answer? Why do you want to become an IS officer? Anyone can give me this answer now? Huh? This may be the last question I'm asking you today. Why do you want to become an IS officer? Hmm? No, no, no. First was not giving you unique answer. Listen, Ridhima, very simple. First was giving you cost of only 24 items was 720. So how would you get the cost of remaining 36 items, Ridhima? You just cannot do it in unitary method. You don't know the cost. And that's the reason first I was not giving you unique answer. And second was giving you answer was the cost of 20 items is 800. So when I get second, I forget first. So 20 items ka cost I knew, but I never knew the cost of 40 items. So when I mixed, I got cost of 44 items as 1520. Alright. Vishnu says, I love the uniform. I want to become an IRS officer. Why do you want to become an IRS officer? Service of the nation. Anyhow, you want to become IFS officer or an IRS officer or anyone. The point is, why do you want to become? Why do you want to become an IAS officer? Give me some real answer, guys, huh? Huh? Yes, I know you want to become an IAS officer. So Benson Matthews says, it's a challenging though it pushes me to better and I get to help a lot of people. Yes, I get to help a lot of people, right? Anyone else? I want to serve the society and change the society and change the society. Ahana. I like the work culture and diversity of an IS officer, which is not there even in IPS. No, it is all what you think. Because I like the work culture and the diversity of working to help the poor and improve economy of my state and my country. Okay. Shelsha says this is my childhood dream. Huh? uh, push the country forward in all the fields and also fulfill my personal objectives. This is beautiful. Personal objectives. Now, Chetan says I don't want to settle for anything less. Huh? Everyone is I. It's me who wants to do that, huh? Isn't it? See, guys. So I think my capabilities suit this profession. I'll make a change in the reference. In my village, there is no IAS officer. Oh, great! Huh? To eliminate illiteracy in my country and to make my district more developed and my country more developed. Beautiful. I want to be an officer to very honestly, sir, because my personality is best suited for this. Again, you think your personality is best suited for it, isn't it? It is all about you thinking. And you feel angry about what our country is going through today, huh? Lot of diversity and opportunities of the nation at ground level. Oh wow, we can do better than what we are. We are. But guys, guys, any answer that you have given me, I want to fulfill my mother's dream, Manjula. That's beautiful. Dream, dream which is government job. So government job is your mother's dream, not your dream, isn't it? You want to make your parents proud. Anurag, I'm telling you, I'm not still at the age of 41, I'm still not able to make my parents proud of me. For the better future of our nation, Kajal says. So you think, Kajal, that since nation would have a better future, so that when you become an officer, huh? A job with good dignity at least help in some upliftment of poor and needy, huh? Do service, he says, because I believe that I have potential and capabilities to serve the common masses. So have the great, I think, Muhammad Iqbal there, that's beautiful. Rohini says, I want to be an IS officer because I want to implement all those my ideas which can be better state in which we are today, huh? Unfortunately, I feel that though my heart is made for it, my brains aren't cooperating. Wait. So sweet, don't worry. Brains would cooperate, don't worry. Huh? यार oh my god, I read something. Huh? So I won't name you, don't worry. So, guys, now listen. People generally have and help poor with the people with legal power, huh? To work to the nation with honor and dignity, huh? Now listen to me, all of you. If you want to do something good for the society and for the normal masses, you don't have to be an ISN or IPS officer. There is no advantages that you get when you become an IS or IPS officer. I don't think you are even at a decision making level because you are only there to implement the decisions made by the parliament or there are implement the legal things that have already been made, isn't it? So you want to serve your nation, this is beautiful, but yes, there are other ways also when you can serve the nation. So please start it from today. All right, over here with me. Generally, every year there are 2000 or 5000 students with ALS.